Okay, I'm recording, just to let you know. Oh no! And then we have to have this up, like...
Stretch my legs.
Okay, you stretch your legs. Ready?
I'm ready.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. And I got a special guest with me, my boyfriend. It's been a very long time since you've last been on my YouTube channel. I think it was March.
What?
Yeah, we went Bora Bora.
Oh, yeah.
That was the last time he was on my YouTube channel. So yeah, he's back again and I'm so happy that he's here. He's gonna help me unbox all this. I actually have more boxes, but it's just I just can't fit it all in this video. It's gonna be like 2 hours long otherwise, so make sure you follow me on Instagram, that way you can see all of the other unboxing, because yeah, I just can't right now. So yeah, he's gonna help me unbox. We're gonna jump straight into it right now, only because we are on our way to dinner this evening and we only have like literally 20 minutes to like unbox all of this. So here you go, babe. Here's your scissors. So the first box that we got here, this is the Mercier one. Originally it had a really cute bow and everything on it, but it didn't really came like that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna open it up and I'm really excited because I have been dying to open this bad boy. It's been in the living room for like, I think 2 weeks, right?
Yeah. Am I opening this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I got all of this. Babe, get in. This could be our thumbnail. So in here I have all of the Mercier gift sets. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. This is a lot. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm so glad that Mercier does this. I'm hoping this is available as a gift set because I love Mercier's body care. I think it's just so lovely and it's so luxurious as well. And they also have a perfume and it smells like vanilla. Do you like the smell of vanilla?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
It's really nice, right? I love it when brands send me like body care, I'm not gonna lie, because me and Nate, we go through that so quickly. And like the other day I cleared out our bathroom and I made a basket of just bath stuff, literally. Thank you so much to Mercier, I really appreciate this. Why don't you take it down and then sit down and then just open it? Do you hate it when I receive PR parcels?
Yeah, when I'm in bed and the door rings, Kylie Jenner.
Yay! My Kylie Cosmetics has come. I will be doing a video on her stuff very, very soon because I have not tried Kylie Cosmetics concealers and base products yet. I've only ever tried her eyeshadow, so yeah, I can't wait. And I actually bought this as well. This is not PR. But with PR, with the very, very lovely Kylie. Do you know what that is?
Loose powder highlighter.
Are you gonna open it?
Do you want me to open it?
It's up to you.
I'll open it.
Why is this box so hard to open? That is so cute. You know what you should do? You should open it up and show them the colour. Or is that too much effort? Be careful because it's loose powder. Okay, it's fine. It's got a seal on top. Yeah, it's like a pinkish type of highlighter. Oh my god, finally it's open. Ooh, who could you be? Yay! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I have got the Jaclyn Hill times Quay Australia sunglasses.
Mine's better.
It is better because it's Elemis, but then again I do love Jaclyn Hill at the same time. Do you know who Jaclyn Hill is?
No.
She's a makeup YouTuber and she's like super famous. Do you want to open it up and show them what's inside? Look how stunning this PR parcel is. It comes with like a really cute velvet type of bow. Is that a candle?
Yes, I think so.
Oh, it smells very luxurious. Have you tried Elemis products?
Starskin?
Yeah. You've tried the body care, you don't like it, it's too oily.
I can't remember. Yeah.
Here she is, babe.
Is she?
Jaclyn Hill. She's like one of the biggest makeup YouTubers ever. This is what she looks like.
Oh, my back.
And this is all her sunglasses. Oh my god, thank you so much to Jaclyn Hill and Quay Australia for sending me this. Can't wait to wear them and rock them out. That sounded so cringy. Wear them and rock them out. Oh my gosh.
Haha.
Haha. You guys are gonna love this parcel. Ooh, show them, babe. It's really cute. What do you mean by a joke? You gotta open it up like that.
It says an elephant walks into a bar. That's not the end of the joke.
So it's from Drunk Elephant, this parcel. I got some Hourglass makeup right here. I got the lipstick duo and I also got a highlighter palette as well, which I will show you guys. What is it, babe?
I don't know. It's like a identity card.
Ooh!
Nope.
No, I want to show mine! Go on and show it. So this is a day kit. It says at the back, babe. So you basically get a bunch of...
It's too bright.
Oh, I'll explain it to them. It's basically the Drunk Elephant
It's a magnifying
kit.
glass. That's what it is.
This is the Hourglass highlighter. Thank you so much to Hourglass. I cannot wait to try these out. I love Hourglass makeup. I think it's just so luxe and oh, it just feels so nice in my hands. And the way they perform is really nice as well. Oh, you just put it back in the box.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
You're so tired. Pretty. Ooh, wait, is this dragon fruit?
Oh.
This is Starskin Organic. Okay. I do really like Starskin though, I'm not gonna lie. Another water bottle. I get so many water bottles sent to me through PR and he hates it. Yeah, because I don't know what to do with them. I don't want to throw it in a bin.
Drink out of them. What do you mean you don't know what to do with them?
But I have so many, I'd just rather use a cup.
Then, you know.
You know? So this is the Pink Cactus collection. I have the hydration cream, and this is 73% cactus, and is 99.3% natural. And this is the serum as well. I've got a spray. Oh, this must be the Christmas collection. This is from Sanctuary Spa. This is Moe. Did they give me alcohol? I don't drink alcohol.
Give it to you can, take it.
Also got some bath salts, yay! Another body oil. And this one's got like a glow to it as well. So I have got Glossy Box parcel, which I've never received anything from Glossy Box. I'm really interested. So when you get it, it comes in like this, and it says all I want. And ooh, this is very wet. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a mess. Wait, hold on. Chuck it in here. Oh my gosh, did you open? Oh babe, put it in there carefully. I don't think Coco cares about these types of
Bretman
things.
Rock.
Yay! I got Bretman Rock times Colorpop PR. I have like 3 of these eyeshadow palettes, so I would definitely be giving this away to someone. And I also got a whole load of other cute products as well in here. Thank you so much to Glossy Box. I cannot wait to try this out. Ooh, I've got a Kat Von D. What is this? Perfume? I didn't know Kat Von D did perfume. Did you guys know that Kat Von D did perfume? That looks really pretty. There he is, guys. Bretman. I can't believe he sent me a parcel. And there's another one as well. I think if you open it down
There's
here.
like 3 sections. 2. Oh no, it's just 2.
Yeah, if you like slide it out. It's like a jewelry box. That is so cute. I can't wait to try these out. Definitely gonna do a video trying out these products. Do you like the smell?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's the Kat Von D one. Do you know who Kat Von D is?
Nope.
She was a famous tattoo artist.
Is this package or is this just ready here?
Well, I kind of opened it, but then I wanted to like save it for, this video. This could be a thumbnail, babe. Come in.
Where's this go?
I don't know. So this is the NYX Cosmetics. What's it called? Suede lip products. This is a lot of products. Spice of life.
Hoopla. Of course.
So I have got the Zoeva highlight. This is such a cute little box. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. So there's like 3 eyeshadows in here. This is so cute. And I also got a makeup bag as well from them, and a really nice big eyeshadow palette as well. What do you have, babe? Okay, he wants me to read it. Again, it's the same thing. So there's eyeshadow quads in here, and oh wow, that's really pretty. Ooh. More eyeshadow palettes. Oh my gosh, how many eyeshadow palettes are there in this world? Oh, thank you so much to Zoeva. Love your makeup, so I can't wait to try these out. If you're looking for like a creamy eyeshadow that has less fall, I feel like Zoeva is the perfect place to go to in order to get eyeshadows that doesn't have so much fall. I have Glamglow here with me. I'm dying to open up Glamglow for like 3 weeks now. GHDs! Yay! I've got some GHD hair straighteners. These are cute as well.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, this is so sweet. Thank you so much to Glamglow for sending me a parcel. Ooh, wow, look at this. Babe, look at this. It's face mask.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. This is such a cute Christmas gift idea. I feel like if you know someone who loves skincare and they want to try out Glamglow, guys, you know where to go. This one.
Oh, that's a parcel.
That's a parcel, yeah. I have this one right here. I feel like this is a wall. This is from Nails Inc, just in case you guys are wondering. So this is the 12 Days of Beauty Gold Advent Calendar by Nails Inc. I'm loving the packaging. Oh, babe, careful!
I am being careful. I'm using scissors.
Are you?
Maybe.
It's hitting me.
Well, you know.
Hold on, our address is on here. So Nails Inc have a lot of Christmas gift sets. If you guys want to get some cute nail stuff for a friend or a family member. Oh, this is so cute. Definitely check out Nails Inc. They have so many options. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Yes, I love it. Oh wow, look how cute this is. Red nail varnish and red sparkly nail varnish as well. Do you need help?
No, I got it.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. No way. Take it out of the bubble wrap, babe.
Hold it.
Oh my gosh, it's me. Oh my gosh, wait, this could be a thumbnail as well. Oh my gosh, thank you so much to Glamglow for sending me this. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this stuff. Where can I put this? I have no idea. Maybe in the bathroom. You sure? Wouldn't people be scared? Be like, what the hell is this? It's me.
I don't know.
I don't know. This is so beautiful though. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Oh my gosh. That is it. Thank you everyone for watching mine and Nathan's YouTube comeback video. I know it's been a very long time since he's last been here, but please give this video a thumbs up so he can come back again. I really want him to be in more of my YouTube videos, but he's always like, no. I had to beg him. I did. I had to beg him, and then he turned around and was like, fine. And I was just like, that's what you said to me.
Don't make me look bad.
I'm not making you look bad. That's what you said to me. That's how you reacted. You was like, fine. And I was like, okay, cool. Please give this video a thumbs up so that way he can come back again. If I can get this video like 1,000 thumbs up, that'd be so amazing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Oh!